Hello there, welcome back to our channel. So Garmin launched Fenix 7 series on January 18th, 2022, nearly 20 days ago. But if you are wondering about the next gen watch, then you have come to the right place. Here we have made some educated guess about what to expect from Garmin Fenix 8. But before we get into that, let's talk about when we can expect the Fenix 8 to land. Generally speaking, they launch new devices every 2 to 3 years, with a Pro or Plus variant in between. Judging by that, we can expect Garmin Fenix 8 to land sometime in 2024 or could be early 2025. So a long time to go and a lot could happen in that time. With that said, let's get to our predictions of Garmin Fenix 8. So we have a strong feeling that Fenix 8 will finally come with ECG on board. At the time of making this video, there isn't a single Garmin watch that's equipped with this feature. But looking at the technology growth in smartwatches, it isn't going to take too long for ECG measurement to become mainstream, and we speculate Fenix 8 to bring this to the table as well. Battery life has always been one of the selling points of Garmin sport watches, and the Fenix 7 range really delivers. So assuming things will only get better, an AMOLED option wouldn't be that bad. Yes, we expect AMOLED display to make an appearance in Fenix 8. No doubt Fenix 7 is a superb watch, but it lacks display contrast. But with an introduction of AMOLED panel, things will look much clearer, sharper and overall easier to look at. Next up, a microphone for accessing phone's voice assistant or receiving calls without taking your phone out of your pocket, similar to Garmin Venu 2 Plus. Fenix 7 missed out on this feature, but there are high odds that it may come to Pro or Plus variants within a year. If not, Fenix 8 is definitely getting this feature. Other than these improvements, we can expect some general upgrades in chipset, design, storage, sensors, and new tools to measure and monitor health. So what are your thoughts? What do you think will be the new changes? Do comment. And that's it for today. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.